Hello everyone and welcome back to Gency.com, where today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to install our LED conversion kits into this 2004 through 2018 Volvo VN VNL Headlight. We're also going to do a comparison between this headlight and the opposite side, LED versus halogen. So let's start with the installation. It's pretty simple. So first we have to remove the dust covers, which I already have done. Those things come off pretty easily, counterclockwise, and then just pop right out. And let me turn this sideways. So what you have here is the bulb on top is the actual low beam, which is the projector, as you can see here. And then one on the bottom is the reflector. So we'll start with the high beam. High beam, counterclockwise, pops right out, plug at the end, bulb is out. The exact same thing for the low beam as well. Now what we have here is our GX7 Elite Cree chip LED conversion kits. These come with an external LED driver and basically a cooling fan on the bottom. And these are rated for about 4,500 lumens. Now for installation, it's pretty simple. It's basically what you have to do is, let me make sure I have the correct bulb size here. This is 905, which is this one. Yep, that's correct. So they install the exact same way as the ones that came out, which is just basically line up the tabs here and then go ahead and insert into place. And once it's there, you just basically turn counterclockwise, and once it locks into place, you're good. Now all you have to do is you take the plug, which connects to the LED driver itself, and that basically is a plug and play situation here. I'm trying to do this with one hand, and you just basically plug them into place, pop in, and then this plug right here plugs right into here, and then you just screw this right on with this screw, and then you'd be good to go. So you have to do the exact same thing basically on the low beam. Installation, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Put the dust caps back on and you're good to go. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and compare these to the other side with the halogens. Alright guys, so I have here the VNL headlights with the halogen on one side, and we have our LED conversion kit on the other side. And let's go ahead and take a look at the results. Now, just to give you a better idea, I'm going to go ahead and step in front of the halogen, and then I'm going to go ahead and step in front of the LED. As you can see, the LED conversion kit is much brighter, and also the light output is much cleaner than the halogen. Now, I'll go ahead and wire up the high beam and show you the difference there. Alright, so now we have the high beams, halogen versus LED, and here we go. The LED is so intense that it's almost taken over the actual halogen. Let me step in front of that, and then I'll go ahead and step up the front of the LED. As you can see here, thanks for watching.